For dye penetrant test, clean the weld joint thoroughly. Check for any flux, slag or any other foreign materials. Clean the joint thoroughly with a cleaner. Apply dye penetrant over the weld joint. And allow it for 10 minutes for to wait more than 10 minutes to settle down, dye into the cracks or any other surface defects. So clean the excess penetrant by using cleaner. Verify that there is no excess penetrant on the surface after cleaning. Apply developer. Examine the joint after DP test. There are some few indications like blowholes, incomplete joints, and some more.